Now, to get to this point in the process, a lot of work and preparation has already gone into your roof to get it ready to install the asphalt roof shingles. So, would you like to know how to do it? This is the really exciting part, when you get to see your roof transform into that real beauty that you've designed. But like any roof, if you want it to perform in the long term, you've got to use the quality materials, but you've also got to install them correctly. So let's take a look now and go and see how properly to install the asphalt roof shingles. Although asphalt roof shingles are relatively easy to install, care must be taken to not only ensure they waterproof your home, but that they also look great from the street. But before you start, it is essential that you measure and snap a string line. This will give you a line to follow and ensures you keep your shingles running straight as you progress up the roof. When you set your lines, be sure to allow for at least 143mm shingle exposure. Then, using 32mm nails, start your first row over the starter strip shingles and run them flush along the drip edge. Remember to overlap the starter strip joins by at least 100mm to ensure a watertight result. If you're looking at installing asphalt roof shingles on your home, then you need to know that not all shingle brands offer the same level of quality. On this home, we're using GAF HD Timberline shingles, and these are the #1 selling roof shingles in North America. Why? Simply because they're the best. They've been engineered using state-of-the-art technology, and they've been made to the highest quality standards. And the quality of the materials means that they are hard-wearing and very durable, and they can certainly stand up to a harsh Aussie climate. In fact, GAF roof shingles have been installed on over 50 million homes and in some of the most extreme climates, so they've certainly been tried and tested. Conveniently, GAF's Timberline roof shingles have a white pre-marked nail line. This not only makes it easy to know where to nail, but it also guarantees they'll be hidden as the next row of shingles are applied. Timberline roof shingles need to be installed in a stair-like pattern, with each join staggered by at least 150mm. For each shingle, use at least 4 nails and have a hammer handy to knock in any that didn't get driven down all the way. Secondly, make sure to set your nail gun pressure correctly, so the nails are not driven down too far to avoid the nail head damaging the shingle. A standout feature of GAF roof shingles is that they all include a row of DuraGrip. DuraGrip is a premium adhesive that, once activated by the heat of the sun, will permanently lock down any shingle on your roof.